Hello there, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for this beautiful 2012 Toyota Highlander. The model is motor trim level is limited, top of the line. Kilometers 165, 941 kilometers, and the price is $20,888 plus GST and licensing. This vehicle comes from Quebec. No links, no accidents. Carfax is pretty clean, and the interior is black, so black and black leather interior, 7-passenger, sunroof, and all the power windows, power door locks, power seat, automatic transmission, and this comes with a luggage bag. So this vehicle is available for you. If you want to secure it, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.